every of your effort that the enemy is wasting, every of our effort that the enemy is rendering profitless, rendering unproductive, such efforts of darkness is wasted tonight. Such wisdom of the wicked is turned to foolishness tonight. Such counsels of darkness is thwarted tonight. In the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Every striving, every contention of darkness against your productivity, against your resourcefulness, against your harvest, against your breakthroughs, tonight is wasted and emptied. In the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Contentions of darkness against your progress, your advancement, against your destiny fulfillment has come to an end tonight in the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. The Lord will make room for you. The Lord will make room for your families. The Lord will make room for you, and you shall be fruitful in the land.